Okay, so if I want to suppose like so here, so how we are installing Java. So this is the main, like it's a suppose then I'm in a main page now. If I list out it, so I have these many folders. So suppose normally if I want to enter in the any locations here, any places here, so I can if I suppose I want to go to this OPT folder, so how I need to go to CD OPT. CD means will enter into that. So now I'm in a OPT place. Okay, so if I list out here, suppose if I enter PWD now, I'm in a slash OPT place, OPT folder. If I list out here ls, so nothing is there. Suppose I want to create a one new folder here. So in a OPT, I need to create a new one, new folder I need to create. So how we can create that? That like name is, suppose you need to enter sudo before. Sudo means we are running as a administrator type. Okay, we are running as a okay. Sudo means normally how we are running here as a, suppose we are how we are running as this is the run as administrator type. When you are enter here sudo, that will be run as a administrator. Make a sudo mkdir, make a directory. So directory means make a folder. Mkdir, suppose I will create Jira. Enter. So now I'm in the OPT already, right? So PWD, I'm in a like OPT. In a OPT, which folder I have, I will check it. ls, see if this Jira folder is created. So before when I enter in the like PWD OPT, I'm in OPT. So PWD OPT. When I enter ls, nothing. When I enter ls, nothing will become. So I've created one folder. This is a Jira. Okay, so I can see now is the Jira folder here. In the OPT, I have a Jira folder. Okay, like delete folder. Suppose this is a folder only, but how to delete that folder? Okay, you can write it this command, or else I will send you this. I have some minimum list of some commands list. I will send you, but if you have time, you just listen class and you can write it somewhere like in the roughly notes type. Okay, so Jira. So if you want to rename it, like remove that folder, so what commands? Okay, so delete means now like how I'm doing, like to create a new folder, like this will come to new and will create a new folder. But in the Linux, we need to enter this much command. To remove it, like enter sudo again, rm minus space, sorry, rm space hyphen rf, then enter that name. Sudo remove folder. Remove folder means rm means remove, and remove folder. This is a folder and Jira. When you enter it, it will be remove it. Now if I check on ls, is not there. Suppose I'm in a OPT now. OPT, if I ls it, file is not there because it is deleted. Okay, so when you enter this, the file will be deleted. When you enter this, the file will be created. And when you this is the make a directory, this is a file name. Remove file, this is the name for that. Okay, so this is the, like this is a minimum commands, and how to enter one folder, how to come back, how to go with that. And suppose normally I don't have a like good with this Linux. Suppose I'm not able to see this Linux, I don't want to create, delete, and these all things I don't want to do. Okay, so is there any way to like see that, like how we have these Linux type, suppose sorry, this Windows type, that we have a called WinSAP. We have a called WinSAP. Okay, so we have a two things. This is the putty login into server, the putty, and WinSAP. I don't have that is as well. I'll go with download that. Just go to WinSAP, WinSAP download. Okay, click on official site. Okay, I will download the WinSAP. I'll click on download. It is downloading. Okay, and run this same. Install all users, instant for me only. I'll accept. Typical installation dot all. Click on next. Command like commander is fine. Click on install. When you install it, and this WinSAP, it will be gives is a different view. Okay, so we'll see how the looks will be available. No, it will. We can close, finish. So I no need this. So that WinSAP, suppose I'll close this, and now I can see WinSAP here. When I see it WinSAP, so it will become. When you double click this, and the WinSAP will be open. So it will be asking you to host name again. So just enter host name. What is our host name? So we have here already. Copy this, enter that host. When you enter, what is the username? EC2-users. And password we don't have. But what we can here, just click on drop down. Not this. Click on advanced. Okay. Click on advanced. Second, guys. Okay, guys. So just we don't have password, right? So that's why click on advanced, and same here it will be comes to SSH. In a SSH we have again authentications. Click on browse it here and select this that AWS again. Okay, click on open. Okay, login. So now click on yes, and this is the left side. What you can see here, like this, like users, local admin, OneDrive, documentation. This is my instant. So where I can see this local admin, suppose if I go with the downloads, and how I can see AWS, this is all my system. But the right side, what I can see it here, this is the Linux. If I go with the root, so in the root, what I have here. So when I'm in root, clear, pwd, present working directory, cd slash, the main page. So ls, suppose what I have, bin, root, data, this is all. So I can see the same here. Suppose if I enter any folder here, OPT, I don't have any files here. See, I don't have any files here. Suppose here as well, suppose if I check here, cd opt, I don't have any file. But to create a new folder here, what we are used, like sudo mkdir, we enter files. But we can directly create a new file here, new directory. So I'll enter 0, 1. Okay, okay. It's not actually, I don't have permissions. This create this, set permissions, select this all. I will see you can do it or not. That's why we use, there is a sudo act. You can okay, save, retry. Yeah, I don't have permission. So okay, I'll go with my folder which is home and EC2 missions. So here I have a permissions, create a new and directory. So I'll enter 01, click on OK. So maybe I will create 01. Okay, so where it is, home, EC2 users. If I go with now cd space slash ls, this is one. So I need to go to home page. How I can go, cd home, ls here EC2 user, cd again EC2 user, enter. So here ls I have 01. See what I created now. This is what I created now. Okay. So like that we can create the same here, but we cannot install anything. Just create a files, move files type only. It will be work out it. Okay. So normally we'll go with directly in the Java installations, and this is the main command. We'll get it anywhere. This is a small comments. Okay. So normally I have one thing here. I'm just telling you something. So I have here the Windows. I just set up Linux environment here, but I've not set up any internet access here. I don't have any internet access master here to download any application like Java download and Jira download purpose. I don't have. So what I'll do is, but in a like organization level, directly we can download from here and we can do it out. But if you don't have anything as well in organization level as well, you can install that all software in your laptop and you can move to your Linux environment. So that we'll see how to move with that. First of all, I'll enter Java. Same. If you have Java is there or not, we'll check with Java version. Is not there. We need to install is a Java folder first. Java installation. Java we need to install it. But as I told you, I don't have any like any net here, internet something, so it will not download directly. And as well as Java, definitely we don't have options to download directly here, because of when it is downloaded here, and suppose we have some comments like em install Java something like this, but when you install like this, the latest version it will be installed, so that is not good. So normally we'll install that versions here, and then we can move that file into this Linux platform. Okay, I think I don't have already. Okay, so I'll download Java first. So I'll go with the JDK installations, JDK 1 for JDK 8 download, Oracle. And here, instead of selecting Windows, we need to select here Linux. Linux is, we have a three files we have. So three files means we have a different installation format we have. Okay. So normally I'll give you these notes and you can note it as, we have a first bin folder, bin format, like it will becomes to Java like 8 something dot bin. Okay. So how to install this? Okay. So the command is dot slash Java folder name, Java 8 dot bin. Then it will be installed. Okay. So again we have next one, we have second one, we have a Java 8 dot RPM file. Okay. So RPM format as well we have. So how to like set up like how to like install this RPM format. Okay. So I have that command. I will write it that here. Mm, 1 second, guys. A very simple. Sorry. This is the main thing we need to note. You can note it somewhere as well. Suppose maybe they'll ask you in interview questions, or else this is very required things in the future as well. Okay. I've written some notes, but because okay. Um, have that called RPM. First, I need to enter this command space hyphen IVH again space Java 8 dot RPM. Okay, so this is our command I need to run it. Third one, suppose this is the command only and this is the file name. Okay, Java 8 RPM is a file name. This is a downloaded file. I need to enter like this. So next one is I have a tar.3 format, right? So I have told you like suppose Java 8 something, it will be download Java 8 dot tar.gz. GZ. So how to install this format? Uh, GZ. This is something different. TAR we need to enter space hyphen ZXVF. ZXVF. Sorry. F space again Java dot GZ. Why you are unmute, guys? Something Navina. Okay, so here Java 8.bin. Suppose if you are downloaded this format, you need to run like this command. You need to install with this command. Suppose it is downloaded in RPM, you need to RPM, you need to enter here. Sorry, RPM space hyphen IVH that file. Again tar.gz. It will be this with command. We need to download it. Okay. So suppose we have here. I'll go with RPM package. Suppose RPM. So is a Linux 3264 RPM. Linux 64 RPM package. This is the 86. Mine is the 64. I'll go with this download. Accept it. Click on download. Once you download it, so it will be asked you to enter your account. Nagaraj. So I hope we have already this username and password, and when you enter your username and password, it will be downloaded. But normally in the Windows times, we will select Windows 1. Now we need to select it. It is loading. Wait, I'll refresh it again. Mm, Array. Linux 64 RPM. So we can go with this. Accept load. Yeah, it is downloading. This RPM format it is downloading here. And I'll close this. Also, I'll download Jira as well. Jira download. So I don't want to waste time. Go to here, download Jira software, and here we need to select. I think this 8.11 is the latest versions, and older versions are instead of here. Normally, we'll select Windows 64 here. Now you can select here Linux 64. What I tell you here, Linux 64-bit, where you can see it here, that is a bin format. This is the one. RPM, this is like when we are selecting here RPM, zip archive, that is a RPM format. .gz archive we have here. OS X means it is like it is a Mac OS something, and here we have a Windows 60, Windows 1. So I'll go with the Linux 64 here. You can also go with Linux 64. Then click on download, accept, and search. But normally, how we need to download it in the direct in the like Linux environment only. When you click on here, and we just selected here, suppose in the Linux platform, right? Click on Linux and download. When you click on this, if you click on directly download, it will be downloaded in your system. Instead of that, right click, copy link address. Go to your Linux platform, enter wget command. It is download. It is expired. Log in again. Oh my god. Copy. Enter that load. I'll put it here. Load. Save. SSH authentications. Browse that key. New pair key. Open. Open. Login as a EC2-USER. So normally how we need to download it here. So where you are in which folder you are looking to download, and we need to go to that folder. Now I'm in suppose in a Jira one. So I'm in now in EC2 users. In this folder it will be download. Suppose if you want to download, you need to enter wget command. WGET webget. It means like webget. So where you copied here the link, copy link address, you need to paste it here. So once it is pasted here, if you click on download, the command not found it is coming because of here I don't have some net connections here. But normally in a your organization environment something, it will be download when you use this sudo. If I use sudo as well, it is not coming. So it is not working here. But in organization level, if you are looking to download Jira here, when you enter this, it will be downloaded directly here. Okay. So now what I did, I've downloaded this tool in my local system. Okay. So here I downloaded. So I deleted this. I know it required this JDK and Atlassian. So how I need to move to my Jira for my Linux environment. So as you know, I installed here my Windows. I need to move to my Linux platform. Nothing, just simple step we can go with it here. Open your like WinSAP. With help of WinSAP, we can do it this and go to where you are downloaded. So where is downloaded is the type changed. I think so. Here I have your Atlassian and JDK. So these two I'm looking to move to here. So I think I'll open within my Jira places. Jira, these places I've downloaded. So now I'm in a home. EC2 users, I'm in the these places. Suppose. Sorry, this is also expired. When is the task manager? I don't know about it. Reconnect. This is automations. Yeah, I'll open Jira one. So now I'm in a Jira one place. Okay. So I will move it. Suppose if I check it here, where I'm in now, PWD, I'm in EC2, LS, Jira one. I'll go with Jira one folder. LS nothing. So now I'm in a EC2 means user Jira one. So here nothing, empty folder. So here also I can see empty folder now. Just you can see this here JDK what I'm installing. Right side my computer. Right side is a Linux platform. Just move, drag and drop to here. That's it. So it will be moved to here. Yes. Okay. It will be moving. See. So this file is moving from download to here to my Linux environment. Okay. It will. If your internet is working good and it will be moved to directly. So this case is only when you are using with help of WinSAP. So like WinSAP, you can move files. Okay. Move files from WinSAP. We can move it here. Okay. Same this. This the left side is my system. Sorry. Left side is my system. It will be JDK. Now before the nothing is there. So when I click on LS, is nothing will come. Okay. So now I will show you like where I'm in Jira one. So what files we have here? LS, C, JDK is coming here. Next, I will move to my Atlassian as well. Just drag and drop to here again. So this is also will become to here. Guys, I'll send you one notes here. I'll also open the same. Uh, okay. Guys, now if I go to my application now, if I enter again LS, so two files we have. One is a Atlassian and another one is a JDK. Okay, so normally what will check it out, if you run that normally in a Windows, we can directly double click this, it will be installed. But Linux, it will not install like that. So it is a very restrictions. So if I see in a Windows, I have the rights here. Read, write, read, write, read only permission. Read, write, read, write, read only permission. I don't have any execution permissions here. So when you don't have this execution permission, suppose this is my like RPM format or like Atlassian format, Atlassian is there. So then normally I can run it like this dot slash. I can as I told you, this is a bin folder. See dot bin. Bin, how we need to download it, how we need to install it. Sorry. So we need to enter dot slash that file name. So I'll enter suppose dot slash this file name I'll enter. Okay. So Atlassian. Copy this. Enter. So what it is coming? Permission denied. So I don't have permissions to run and install this. So how we need to get it the permissions? Okay. So normally when you come to here, if you selected this file, go to properties, we have here three levels of permission. One is the owner, group, others. Owner means who are moving that file to here or something, and group and others. Okay. So group means is a easy to user only. Owner means is a these are owner's name. If you I don't have any group, so group is only one group is coming. We have the three levels of permissions here. So how can I manage? Suppose I have here to how to check the permissions in the Linux. Suppose I don't have WinSAP. The command is ls minus -ltr. When I check this, the permission will become C. So in a JDK, I don't have any permission, and execute permission is not there. Red color it is coming. But how I need to provide full control permission, that how the permission schemes will be work. Okay, so I'll show you. I'll send you that like videos. Sorry, screenshot I'll send you so you can see that. If I open this any page, yeah. Sorry. Yeah. So can you see guys here? I can see here. No, I'll download this page. See guys, I have here owner, group, others permissions. Okay. So owners, group, other. Same how I can see here. Okay. Owner, group. Okay. Owner, group, others. Okay. So in a owner level, I can to owner I can give read permission or write permission or execute permission. And group as well I can read, write, execute. Others as well read, write, execute. So owner what can do and groups people what they need to do. Others what they need to do. Okay, so like this we can able to give it permission. Okay, but in a directly if I want to give permissions here, I can click on permissions. Okay, sorry, I'll click on properties and I'll give full controls. Okay, so read, write, execute, everything I'll come and click on next. So when I'm selecting here, see here the names will be changing here down. See 444 or read something like that. Okay, so I'll tell you how it works. I'll enter total 777. Okay, so now if I go to my Linux platform, if I enter same command, see this is coming to green button because of I have already all permission. Read, write, execute, read, write, execute, read, write, execute. So anyone can do it. Suppose I'm logging as a EC2 users only. So if I provide permissions to only EC2 users, that is fine. But how we can directly give permissions in the Linux platform only? I need to provide the full control permission to Atlassian only. How we can provide it? So with help of numbers we can provide it. So what is that number? Suppose owner I need to provide a read permission only. Okay, what is the read number? Is a 4. Is a byte complete? This is no change. It's okay. So this is the standard one. If you want to provide a read permission, you need to enter 4. Next group peoples you need to enter, suppose write permission you need to enter 2. Others you need to give execute permission 1. Suppose owner you need to provide all permissions, read, write, execute. Place this. Okay, 4 2 1 total 7. You need to give 7. Group peoples you need to give only read, write permission. So read, write, what is the number? Second number we need to enter 4 6. Last permission you need to give only read permission, then 1. Okay, so I'll show you that what is the command means. You just enter sudo first, then chmod. This is a change mode. Okay, so enter 777. Suppose I'll enter first 700. Okay, so 700 means the first person like owner will get all permissions. Okay, so owner all permission 421 full permissions. When I enter 00, they will not get it any permissions. Okay, see here I will 777. I'll enter Atlassian, enter. Now if I enter ls minus ltr, so we just write arrow symbol. See, read, write, execute permission it is coming for owner persons. Okay, so if I see the same place here, refresh, see read, write, execute permission is coming, remaining all 0. Suppose if I go with same place, same command 7. Suppose if I enter, I need to give read, write permission. Read, write, what is that? Read, write, second person 4 2 plus 6. I need to enter 6 permission. 6, suppose 0. When I enter it, what permission it will become? Refresh. And first person read, write, execute 3. Next only read, write only will get it, second person. And execute is not getting, and third person is not getting. Suppose when I enter 777, 777 means all users, admins, everyone, people get all permissions. 777. 777 means this is a 7, this is a 7, this is a 7. So that all permission will become all people's. Okay. So just go to here, my is Linux enrollment, just enter change mode 777. I'll enter ls minus ltr. See, all permission will become now. Okay. The permission we can give it this sudo chmod, this one. Okay. So I'll clear on this. and we can complete this in 10 minutes only. So first of all, I need to install Java hyphen version is not there. Okay, so it's not command. So where my Java is installed, so Jira 1 ls, I have this file here, right? So as I told you, RPM format, how I need to run this. Okay, RPM, so IVH. Okay, so I'll enter that command here. First, I'll enter sudo because of this run as the administrator type. Then enter this RPM space IVH. Okay, so here also copy option is when you select it will be copied. Okay, so I can paste it here, Control V. But to copy this, we need to enter copy here. But to paste it here, just we need to click on right click. Don't enter Control V. Not this is we need to enter Control V here. Just right click it will be pasted. Here Linux is when you select it will be copy. And paste means just right click. Right click it will be pasted. So next paste this file name we need to enter, right? Copy it. Copy means when you double click it will select it. Just right click it. That's it. Enter. So I think verify preparing and JD like JRE will be installing. Okay. So it will be installing. Yeah, installation is done. I don't know. I'll check it. Java space hyphen version. See now my Java is installed 1.8. It is very simple. There we need to click on run as administrator next. But here it is not like that. When I enter Java, it is not found. What I did, I'll go with my Java place. I'll enter this command. So I have Java file here. Okay, so just sudo RPM I'll enter. But where it is installing, if I go with here, refresh this, and maximum it will be installed these places only, not. So when I enter WHICH with Java, okay, it will be installed in user bin Java. User places it will be installed. Where it is the user place it will be installed. Okay, so I can go with here cat. I can enter this. Cat means we can go directly this place. I'll go with bin folder only. Is not directory. I can see users cd usr ls here bin folder bin cd bin ls. So here I have a Java. I think he's saying like Java here. Where it is Java. So Java is installed here. So if I sorry, so I'll clear. There is a default location place. It will be take like that. So when I enter Java C as well, it will be set up it directly. But the Linux platform, we don't need to go in the separate place. We don't need to enter some Java path because of is automatically it will be when you install Java, that Java path as well, it will be set automatically. Okay. So this is the one that okay Java installation. Okay. And guys, you can rejoin it again. So we'll just discussing like Jira installation is the last topic. It will be over in the within 10 minutes only. Okay. Please rejoin it again. We'll finish.